Hello everyone, this is Charles BridgTec with another flashlight review, this time from Nitecore. Now this here is their MT2C Pro. Now I was sent this by the NitecoreStore.com. They wanted me to do a released candidate for them. Now I had done a sneak peek of this months ago back, so now I've got the official release with the box, everything, all the goodies inside. So let's wait no further. Let's open it up, see what's in. Now I always get nice inquiries from other companies as well, and sometimes if I get a sneak peek, they'll send me the release candidate, but not always. It just kind of depends. Get everything out of here. Now this is a complete kit, so it does come with the battery, one O-ring, one lanyard, USB Type-C charging cable, one warranty card, and we have one user manual. Now the specs are kind of small, so it is multi-language, but I'll post the specs up there on the screen for you now. As you can see, 1800 lumens is the highest output that this light can do. Has two light outputs, so it's just a straight UI, easy to operate this, nothing difficult. Now if you need more time to read those, go ahead and pause the screen. Otherwise, let's go ahead and take a look here at the light. And there it is. Now it's nice, they didn't really make too much improvements from a sample that I got previously. Everything else looks great. I love the body on this. Definitely will help with gripping the light, especially if you're wearing gloves. Sometimes you're not sure how much of a grip you have on the light until you drop it. A lot of areas here we can put a lanyard through, including the clip. You can remove this if you don't want it on there. Helps keep it from rolling. Can table stand that too if you need. It's got the semi-gloss finish to that. Looks good. Style design on this is very nice. Very impressed with this. Also the smaller brother. Tail clicky there. The machining and finish on this is excellent. I haven't run into any issues with Nitecore in aspects of quality and performance. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look here at that smooth reflector. That is the exclusive Nitecore UHi 20 LED. Been having some great luck with this thing, even on the release candidate here, as well as the sample they sent me for the sneak peek was just great performance. Alright, so now let's go ahead and take this apart and I'll show you the insides. Start off here with the straight contact plate there on the head of the light. Well greased threads. You want to remove this, but of course save it if you store your light for long periods of time. And look at that. 3600 milliamp This is an 18650. This is a 10 amp cell. It's got the built-in charging port there. So you're ready to go, charge it on the go. This is more than powerful enough to run this light. And you can get these extra of these. If you do have a unprotected cell with a button top, you should be able to run it just fine as well. Now let's go ahead and get this all back together. Now let's go over the UI. Pretty straightforward. Got that light output. Now just going to take a look at beam here. Look at that. Super intense hotspot. Does have a little bit of bleeding around the edge. But look at the cutoff on that spill. Super wide spill area, more than, you know, adequate for foreground if you're walking with it, hunting. Got the lowest light output there. At 1800 lumens, it's amazing how this thing stays at that level. Cool white. So it's probably, in my opinion, it's probably more of a 5400 Kelvin. It's got the highest output and the lowest light output. And that's all there is to this light. Very simple, easy to operate this light. You don't want anything difficult, especially if you're a police officer, law enforcement, security, anybody that, you know, hunter. If you want something ready to go, you've got it right here, small enough to stick it in your pocket, carry it on yourself. I kind of wished it came with the holster, but it's not a big deal. Alright, well, let's wait no further. Let's take this MT2C Pro out, see how it does in the wilderness. We are out here in the darkness with the Nitecore MT2C Pro. We're out here again in the wilderness. Let's start off on the Tree of Life because it starts off on the highest. Look at that beam. Look at the spill area. First palm tree. This thing is just a nice pocket rocket. I don't know what happened to our palm tree. The second one is definitely got a haircut. You can see it's got some amazing range. 238 feet, 138 feet here. Now I do have a link below my videos where you can see my testing area and how far things are, should you have any questions or doubts. 65 feet here. Fence line, tree line. Water spout 38 feet. There's the next level down. Still able to see some nice distances here. Still making that Tree of Life as well. So that's nice. I have a YouTube short on this as well, in a different testing area. Amazing. Landed here. Okay, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed those night shots. Again, I say it This is a little pocket rocket. This thing has great distance, especially for this size, and the fact that the battery here is going to provide you plenty of juice to be able to enjoy your night door adventure out there. Now this here leans a little more towards the dedicated thrower side, but spill area is very nice and you can easily see the foreground. That means you can walk with it, track an animal with it, all in a very compact size, blinding someone from a distance. This has really amazed me, and I love the fact that it's a simple UI. Now this one here has the built-in charging port on the battery. That's another huge plus. You can charge it on the go, or you can get extra batteries as well should you want to just swap it out while you charge the other one. You can do so that way. And this LED, exclusive to Nitecore, they've got something really going with these UHi LEDs. Super impressed with them. Well, I want to thank the Nitecore store for sending me this sample to review, or should I say release candidate. If this is something you are interested in getting, remember it comes with everything you see here and need to get started outside that box. I will leave a link below the video in the description area, including a special discount code, and that should help you save some money on this kit, just in case you're interested in getting it. Well, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thanks button. Donate to my channel. Otherwise, please share, like, and subscribe. That way I can bring more of these new lights from Nitecore to you in the future. Thanks for watching. Take care. Well, let's take this outside, see how it does in the wilderness.